You can just, okay, yeah, the sticky's fine, whichever. Good morning, you're Rebecca Rideau. And this is 25 DCCR 0336. Ms. Rideau is charged with tampering or fabricating physical evidence with intent to impair. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, what do you want to take it off?
Y'all go talk about this somewhere else other than in front of me.
The last time I spoke with her, she didn't want to.
Okay.
I want to make sure.
Okay, go have a seat in the jury box. Y'all talk about it before you get in front of me. She's in the back. You can go visit with her before you stand in front of me. Mr. Kimler, on Gabriel Smith.
We talked to you. Yeah, that's what she wants to do.
Go talk to her in the back before you come up here. Well, then just ask me to hold them for a minute. I'll hold them. Go visit with them. You were just sitting in the jury box. I figured you were ready. Rebecca Rideau. Good morning. All right, you're Rebecca Rideau. And Mr. Kimler, will she waive the formal reading of the indictment?
So wait. Can I take a minute, Your Honor? I need to instruct her for that.
Sure.
Copy columns.
Just have a seat. Let's all, we'll take just a short break. All right, Ms. Rideau, please. Rebecca Rideau. And are we going on count one only?
Let's see, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me pull this
State
up.
would abandon the second count.
All right, thank you, Mr. Coleman. All right, ma'am, again, you're Rebecca Rideau. And Mr. Kimler, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
So wait.
Let's see, Ms. Rideau, in cause number 25 DCCR 0336, the state selected to proceed on count one only. It alleges you committed the third-degree felony offense of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence, and that's from October 2nd of 2023. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Kimler?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow this agreement that you made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Rideau is not competent?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 2 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. This will run concurrently with all of your other felonies, which is specifically cause numbers 23 DCCR 0928, 23 DCCR 2106, 2107, and 24 DCCR 1925. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Kimler. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank Mr. Cole.
Let's see, and then we were holding Gabriel Smith.
We wanted to have a brief bench conference.
Sure. All right, ma'am, again, you're Gabriel Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Gabrielle Smith, I'm sorry. Mr. Kimler, Ms. Malfino?
Well, I was left to stand lead, Your Honor.
Judge, we had previously been before the court on a PSI, and the court understandably, based on that PSI, rejected the 5-year cap. I then made an offer of 8 years, where I still am today. Mr. Kimler wanted to argue, and obviously that's his right to do before the court for maybe a little bit less time than that, but I didn't feel comfortable making any other offer myself without the court's input or permission. Obviously, her original PSI, her criminal history
Do y'all have
is
that?
horrendous. Now, the
Original
facts
PSI?
of this offense on their own obviously are not super egregious, but the history is, and so that's kind of what it is.
I guess, I mean, if y'all, if y'all want to do a cap of 8 instead of the 8, I would take a look at that, and then we could
I think visit with her then.
talk about that, and then I would, obviously it's something that the cap is what it is, and then I've got the PSI. I don't know that I would need an update, but if you needed time to put something together, then we could reset it for sentencing if y'all wanted to enter that plea today.
Obviously, I don't have the priors in front of me. I requested them from Louisiana. I
Okay.
don't want to represent 100% that I believe Ms. Smith is habitual. I do feel very confident that there is more than enough to get me there and proceeding in trial. That would be what I would like to do. Again, the underlying facts of this offense, standing alone, don't appear super egregious, but in combination with the history, I would feel better with a cap and allowing Ms. Smith to make argument on her behalf. I
Sure.
certainly won't stand in the way of that.
Okay, all right, if y'all want to visit about that, do you want to visit today about that, Mr. Kimler? Do you want me to, I can reset it a week or so if you'd
Let me
like
just
some
do it
time.
real briefly.
Sure, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry, on Leonard Guillory. I thought.